Hey there, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Conversations with Crystal. So today, if you're listening to this recording in real time, it's the day after my marriage workshop. We had a ton of fun and we talked about the top 10 marriage problems and how to fix them. And so I wanted to make sure that I still had some opportunity for you to come and learn a little bit more about my marriage mastermind called Changemaker Society. And so I've created two open houses. So one open house will be this Friday, which is March 31st. And then the other open house, I'm having two dates to make sure that I can accommodate different schedules. The next open house will be Wednesday, April 5th. And so I'll have a link in the show notes for you to go and sign up to get the information for the open house. But I want to make sure that you just have this opportunity to hear a little bit about what I will be sharing. So the point of the open house is not for me to present, or it's not the workshop style like we just did, but I want to share with you a little bit about what the mastermind, my marriage mastermind, includes, because it's a wonderful opportunity for you to come and really be cared for in this comprehensive way. And this is what I mean. So the marriage workshop was kind of like our kickoff point where we talk about the top 10 problems. And most of the problems that we talked about, like how to communicate effectively that doesn't lead into a misunderstanding or, more of a heated argument, how to manage our finances together, how to parent and manage our family and home life responsibilities together, how to support each other in difficult times or times of crises, work-life balance, that type of thing. So we talked about all of that in the workshop. And really, that is, kind of like our launching pad to the work that we'll be doing inside of the mastermind. So this mastermind has been put together very intentionally. And what we'll do is we will focus on the problem areas that most of relationships go through, right? And also we'll focus on how to create systems for your home life to then support, right, the dreams that you have personally as an individual and that of like your relationship goals. And so we're going to do that by coming together. We're going to talk about what's going on right now and where we want to go. So even though it's a group program, what I like about the intimate setting of my marriage mastermind is that I am keeping my eye on everything. And so each person will actually be receiving like an individual follow-up from me specifically on the main reason why they joined the mastermind, right? Because it's really important for me that you come and I make it easy for you to do this work, to turn around and then implement it into your life. So that way you get results, you get some relief, you start to feel better, and you start to really living the life that you really feel that you were meant to live. And so my job is to make that doable for you and make it accessible so that way you have all the tools necessary. So what I've done to support you in that way is we will spend 6 weeks together live. So that means every week we will have a live group coaching call. And then after those 6 weeks, you still have access to the community. So you don't like lose everything after those 6 weeks. You still have access to the community. You still have access to the course, which might I say, I am a pretty amazing course builder. And it's very rare when you hear me like toot my own horn like that, but I am really thorough in how I think about things. I have been building courses actually for years, and I have courses that I built like in 2018 that are still serving people, and people, that course brings in money to this day, right? And I don't even actively do anything with it. All that to say is I know how to build a course that will help you, right, support you in achieving your relationship and your home life goals. So I'm super excited about this open house. So the point of it is really for you to come and ask any questions that you have about our time together. Asking questions about the mastermind, the course, or the coaching aspect of it. And I'm also going to be sharing a bonus that I have as like kind of like well, it really is a bonus. I was going to tell you more, but I want you to come to the open house and learn more about this bonus item that I have in the course. And it's a wonderful way to complement the change that you're going to see in yourself after going through the mastermind. So that's as much as I want to give you because it's really amazing and the value of it is huge. And so you're getting so much more than your investment in this course. And that's my goal, right? To really over deliver and really have you come and be completely taken care of. So that way, even when there are times when we're not in our live group coaching call, you have resources to go to and refresh your memory or to use as a quick little exercise to help you through that moment. And then obviously the point is for you to really just take on these skills that I'm going to teach you, because it's important for me that you know how to have and implement these skills in your life years from now, right? Way beyond our time together. So super excited. So today I just wanted to bring that to your attention, that although you have missed the marriage workshop, if you're watching this in real time, however, you still have 2 opportunities to come and learn about my marriage mastermind called Change Maker Society. So also to give you a heads up, we will be closing doors to the mastermind April 7th. Okay, so that is a Friday. So April 7th, the doors will be closed, and then the mastermind begins that following Wednesday, which is April 12th. Okay. All right, everyone. Good stuff is coming. Be ready to see change and transformation in yourself first, in your relationship, and then how you're even viewing your home life and the way that you run your life, your home life. So I want that to be in a way that really supports your dreams, whatever that may be uniquely to you. All right, everyone, have a very blessed day. I cannot wait to see you. In the show notes below, you'll have a link to sign up for the workshop, so that way you can get the email link. All right, everyone. Bye.